Okay, so we found a hole in the fence, as you saw, and we are trying to find a path or make our path to the factory.
Yeah, so this is a mess we are fighting to get through. It's horrendous to walk through all these thorns, brambles. This is the factory. It's huge. And then we got the chimney up there. We will try to climb afterwards. This is so cool. It's huge. Wow, that looks so cool. What the fuck? Weird. Oh, yes. Wow. Holy shit. Yeah. Oh, damn, this is... Oh, fuck. Knæslet. Oh, this is so amazing. Almost at the top. This is like huge. I think it's the chimney we might climb very soon. That would be cool. But holy shit, this thing is crazy tall. And you can see the Alps, beautiful Italian towns, this valley. It's just amazing. Oh. That was a long walk to the top. I don't think it's worth exploring those places because it's not that interesting. We've seen the main part of this factory.
So we're trying to find a way onto the chimney, but it's pretty hidden behind all these bushes. But maybe this could be our way.
Where the fuck are we? Yeah. Oh fuck. Holy shit. Fucking hell. Oh my god. træ her. Fint. Spørgsmålet er, om man kan gøre den smart herovre. Ja, der er sgu ikke så meget fast i her. Oh yes. Oh. Okay, so here's the ladder. Now the question whether it's climbable or not. Oh shit. Oh fuck. This typical thing. A ladder starts up there.
Og den ser ud til at være i god kvalitet.
This will be tough.
Fuck mig. Det er hårdt.
Yeah. And you can see the very tall mountains behind the clouds. It's just amazing. Well, I'll just head down now this long ladder. Oh shit. Whew, that could have ended badly.